Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss on the topic drunk and drive. Now before going into the video, I want to share a few details with you regarding the fatalities relating to drunk and drive. Is about 4.6% according to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. And the legal age for purchasing and consuming alcohol varies from state to state, which is about 18 to 25 years. The offense of drunk and drive is a bailable offense. And now coming into the video, first we are going to discuss about the rights of a traffic police. They can stop your vehicle, seize your documents and arrest the driver. As the traffic police has some rights, even the vehicle owner has got some rights. First, the vehicle owner can ask for the identity card of the police officer. And if the police officer asks for the document, the vehicle owner should show the documents as per section 130 of Motor Vehicle Act. And the vehicle owner should take a receipt if the vehicle is seized by the police officer. The vehicle owner can file a complaint in case the police officer harasses him or her. And at last they have to pay the challan if they are challaned for. And what does the challan contains? The challan contains your name and the offense for which you have been challaned for, name and the details of the court where the case is going to be tried, and the date on which the trial is going to be taking place. And the things to be kept in mind when the police officer stops your vehicle. We should not argue with the police officer unnecessarily. We should stay polite. We should not panic and stop the vehicle immediately when it is stopped by the police officer. And what type of case is booked on you? An STC case is booked, which is also called as a summary trial case. And the offense booked are 185 Motor Vehicle Act and sometimes 279 IPC is also added, which is also called as rash and negligent driving. In order to attract the section 185 Motor Vehicle Act, the breath analyzer should show the blood alcohol as more than 30 mg. In this image you can see the breath analyzer. And what shall the vehicle owner do in the court? The vehicle owner can either admit his guilt or refuse to do so. If the vehicle owner admits his guilt, then the magistrate may impose the fine or imprisonment or both as per the section 185B Motor Vehicle Act, and the case is disposed of. And in case the vehicle owner doesn't admit his guilt, the trial shall be commenced and then evidence is recorded and the judgment is pronounced. And now coming to the punishment. If the state has adopted the new Motor Vehicle Act, the amounts may differ. As per the old act, which is still followed in some states, below is the punishment. If a person has committed the offense for first time, he may be imprisoned for a term which may extend to 6 months or fine which may extend to 2000 or both. And if the same person has committed the offense within the 3 years of the previous offense, the imprisonment would be for a term which may extend to 2 years or fine or both. If a person is a student and he or she is imprisoned, then they may not get any government jobs. And if a person is a government employee and he has been imprisoned for more than 48 hours, he may be placed under suspension as per the service rule, or disciplinary action may be taken against him or her. And now coming to the question, from where shall the vehicle owner collect his vehicle? The court or the police station? Generally the police do not deposit the vehicles in the court in the drunk and drive cases. In very few cases like accident cases, it shall be deposited before the court. And once if the vehicle is deposited into the court, now to collect the vehicle owner should file a petition before the court and take the vehicle under section 451 or 452 CRPC. In case of drunk and drive, the vehicle shall be lying in the police station, and after the case is disposed of, the owner can take the vehicle from the police station on showing the fine receipt. And with this, we are going to come to an end of this topic. Thanks for watching.